Do you sleep for 8 hours but still wake up feeling like you haven't slept a minute? Do you feel constantly exhausted, have quick mood swings, or lose your temper over the smallest issues? The lack of morning energy or waking up without morning wood isn't just random fatigue. It is often the very first sign of low testosterone. Testosterone is not just a muscle-building hormone. It is the absolute foundation of a man's energy focus and mental well-being. The good news is you don't need complicated medical solutions. You can reclaim your energy, improve your mood, and boost this hormone entirely naturally. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you 5 proven scientific steps that will completely change your daily routine. Step 1 is sleep maxing. 5 hours of sleep is never enough. You should aim for 7 to 9 hours of high-quality, deep sleep because the vast majority of your body's testosterone secretion happens while you're sleeping. The secret here lies in the details. You must sleep in complete darkness. More importantly, stop consuming caffeine after 2 in the afternoon because it lingers in your body for up to 8 hours and destroys your sleep quality. Maintain a consistent sleep and wake schedule even on weekends. And the moment you open your eyes, get direct sunlight to tell your biological clock that the morning has started. Step 2 is escaping the fat trap. Many people think fat is just stored energy, but the scientific truth is that fat tissue is hormonally active. Fat produces an enzyme called aromatase. What this enzyme simply does is steal your testosterone and convert it into estrogen, the female hormone. The higher your body fat percentage, the more this conversion happens, trapping you in a vicious cycle. More fat means more estrogen, which means less testosterone, which leads to even more fat. Your golden target here is to reach a body fat percentage between 12 and 15%. Don't try to drop below 12% or your hormones will crash, and going above 20% will lead to the same negative result. Step 3 is hormone fuel or your nutrition. If you are struggling with weight, the very first thing to do is completely stop eating processed foods and sugars and rely entirely on whole, natural foods. Biologically speaking, your body makes testosterone from cholesterol. Yes, cholesterol. Therefore, you desperately need to eat enough healthy fats like eggs, red meat, avocados, and olive oil. These foods are the essential building blocks for your hormones. On the flip side, avoid alcohol entirely. Drinking just a few beverages can suppress your testosterone production for 24 to 72 hours because alcohol forces your body to release the stress hormone. Step 4 is about sending the signal through heavy training. Don't look for easy workouts. You must do heavy compound exercises that activate large muscle groups. When you lift a heavy weight that is 85 to 95% of your 1-rep max, your brain sends signals to your pituitary gland to release hormones, stimulating your body to produce testosterone to handle that muscular stress. Focus on squats, deadlifts, and the bench press. If you cannot lift heavy weights, the perfect alternative is doing all-out sprints at maximum speed for 15 to 20 seconds. This spikes the hormone excellently as well. The most important thing is consistency and tracking your progress. Step 5 and the final step is controlling the hidden enemy, the stress hormone cortisol. Your body makes cortisol and testosterone from the exact same building blocks. If your body is constantly releasing cortisol due to work anxiety, poor sleep, or aimless doom scrolling on your phone at 2 in the morning, your testosterone will stay low to meet the body's need to handle stress. Dedicate just 10 minutes a day to meditate, write down your thoughts, or simply walk in nature. This small change makes a massive difference. It really is as simple as it sounds. Sleep well, eat healthy food, lift heavy weights, and reduce your stress. If you do this, you will wake up every single morning and think to yourself, wow, today is going to be a great day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, which step are you going to start applying today? I will see you in the next video.